Hello, wanted to take a minute and show you this 2016 Yukon Denali. It is four-wheel drive and has the 8-cylinder 6.2 liter engine. It's been fully serviced and checked out and everything is good to go. It does qualify for guaranteed credit approval through the banks and credit unions that we work with. And we do have free Carfax reports available here at the dealership or online through our website. It does have 22-inch wheels. It's got lots of options. I'm going to try to cover as many as I can. It has power running boards with leather interior. The driver's seat is power. It currently has 102,000 miles. It also has navigation. That's also where your backup camera will display. You have your climate controls below. It is dual climate control, and you have your heated and air conditioned seats here for the driver. The passengers are over here. It does have a power sunroof. And here's your heads-up display controls and your integrated trailer brake. It has power pedal adjustment, lane departure, power tilt and telescopic steering. The second row seat is buckets. It does have entertainment with a DVD player. And the third row seat can seat up to 3 people. The second row seats also are heated. I forgot to mention that a second ago. It does have the power lift gate and the power folding third row seats. If you have any questions or would like to schedule a time to come in and test drive or take a closer look, you can call us at 336-270-5104 or visit us online at ddtruckandauto.com. We look forward to talking to you soon.